This is my Lego Mindstorm CV3 Rubik's Cube solver. It's scanning the cube right now, but it will solve the Rubik's Cube. The highest record was 61 seconds.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
He's calculating right now. Now he's solving the cube.
He's not so slow, isn't he?
Yeah, he's fast.
I know.
Hey, Abhi. Abhi, say something. Sing a song.
He's solving right now. He's almost done. He's gonna solve it in 23 moves. That's what it says in the brick. He's almost done. He's almost done. He's on the 19th move. He's on the 19th move right now. He's on the 21st, 22nd, 23rd. And he is done.
Show me the cube, Sonu. Show me the cube.
He did it in 99.1 seconds. That's what it says in the cube.